As a project manager, you want to have insight in your projects at all times and have easy access to it. When your business team is working from a Monday.com board, but the development team is working from GitLab, this can be quite a challenge. Our Monday.com and GitLab integration allows you to connect your GitLab issues with Monday.com items easily and helps setting up updates from Monday.com to GitLab and the other way around. This way, developers have more time to develop and can communicate more efficiently with their project managers. And as a project manager, you have access to the progress at all times and can see exactly what goes wrong or right. Start your free trial now